Well, we've all seen plenty of zombie movies, and so we know that when somebody gets bitten by a zombie, it's only a matter of time until they become a zombie.
You guys have probably seen that on your desk. You have a plate full of beans and then a cup full of crackers. The beans are going to represent the students who are not yet zombies, and then the crackers are going to represent the zombies. So we're going to start by putting in one cracker. That's your initial zombie. And everybody that cracker touches is basically getting bitten, and the next round will now become a zombie. So what you guys need to do first is throw in that first zombie, take out all the beans that it touches, and count how many of them there are. We're going to record that number because all those students that just got bitten are going to become zombies in the next round. The number of students has gone down by that many people, and the number of zombies has gone up by that many people. So in the following round, we're not just putting the one initial zombie in, but we're also putting all those new zombies in, and then we're going to reenact it. All those new zombies, whatever beans they're touching, those beans are coming out, and we're turning those into zombies. Go ahead and continue doing this for as many rounds as it takes for all of your students to turn into zombies. Make sure to record your data, and then after that, go ahead and graph it following the instructions given on the worksheet. On the back side, we'll begin our regression, which means that we're going to try to write the equation. I always recommend clearing your calculator before doing any new tables. Otherwise, you may encounter some problems.
To talk amongst yourselves. Is this function discrete or continuous? Are we measuring half of a zombie? What is the least number of zombies that appears in your scenario? What is the highest number of zombies that will exist at the very end? Once all your students become zombies, how many students will be left? And how many zombies will there be? Now that we know how to model the zombie population, maybe, just maybe, we will be safer in the real zombie apocalypse. Stay safe, Skyline.